Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have to solve one very interesting question from algebra. We have x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 21x square minus 20x plus 5 equal to 0, and we have to find all real values of x. Given that sum of two roots is equal to sum of other two roots of this quartic equation. So let us begin with writing four roots of the equation a, b, c and d. Then a plus b is equal to c plus d. This is given to us. Let us say equation number 1. Now we are going to use Vita's formula for sum of roots. So a plus b plus c plus d. This will be equal to minus of coefficient of x cube. So minus of minus 8 over leading coefficient 1, 8. So I can write here a plus b plus c plus d. This is equal to 8. Now as per equation number 1, a plus b equal to c plus d. So in place of c plus d, we can write a plus b equal to 8. So 2 times a plus b equal to 8. So we will write here a plus b will be equal to 4. From equation 1, c plus d will also be 4. So a plus b is 4, c plus d is also 4. Now we are going to write our quartic expression, which is in the left hand side, in the form of product of two quadratics. So we can write x square minus a plus b times x plus ab. Here roots are a and b, times x square minus c plus d times x plus cd equal to 0. Now we have a plus b 4. So here we are going to replace number 4 and c plus d. Here we will write 4. So we will get x square minus 4x plus ab times x square minus 4x plus cd equal to 0. Now let us assume AB equal to P and CD equal to Q. Remember, we have A plus B 4, we have C plus D 4. So only we have to find P and Q. Once P and Q are known, our A, B, C, D will be known. So we will write here x square minus 4x plus P times x square minus 4x plus Q equal to 0. Now we have to multiply these two brackets. So I will write here x square times x square x power 4. Then we will get minus 8x cube after simplification of LHS terms. Then we will be writing plus 16 times p plus q times x square. Then we will have minus of 4 times p plus q times x. Then we will write plus pq equal to 0. Here we have quartic equation. Let us compare the coefficients from both the equations. So if I will compare coefficient of x square, then I can write our equation 16 plus p plus q equal to 21. And let us compare constant also from both the equations. So we will get pq equal to 5. So from our first equation 16 plus p plus q equal to 21, let's subtract 16 from both the sides. We will get P plus Q value equal to 5. P plus Q is 5. PQ is 5. We are going to find the value of P and Q. Once P and Q values are known, we will find A, B, C, D. So I will write here P plus Q equal to 5 with PQ equal to 5. So we can think about one quadratic equation in variable t whose roots are P and Q. Then we can write equation t square minus P plus Q times t plus PQ equal to 0. Now P plus Q is 5. So we will write equation t square minus 5t plus PQ is also 5. So we will write here plus 5 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic. We can use quadratic formula. So we will write here t will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. As per our quadratic equation, a is coefficient of t square 1, b is coefficient of t minus 5, c is constant 5. So we will find t, and t is nothing but p and q. So we will write minus of minus 5 plus minus square root of b square will be minus 5 square. Let us write 25. Minus 4 times 1 times 5, so 20, over 2 times 1, so 2. We will write 5 plus minus square root 5 over 2. T is nothing but P and Q. So we will write P equal to 5 plus root 5 over 2. And let's say Q equal to 5 minus root 5 over 2. Q was CD, P was AB, A plus B was 4, C plus D was 4. So I will write P was AB, so AB equal to 5 plus root 5 over 2. Q was CD, so CD equal to 5 minus root 5 over 2. Now I will write A plus B and C plus D equation. A plus B was 4, C plus D was 4. Now we have system number 1. Here we will write system number 2. Again we will write or consider one quadratic equation, suppose in variable t, whose roots are a and b now. So we will write t square minus sum of roots. So we will write 4t plus product of roots ab. So we will write here 5 plus root 5 over 2 equal to 0. And from second system, I can write second quadratic equation in variable t, suppose, whose roots are c and d. Then we can write t square minus sum of roots. Again we will write minus 4t plus product of roots. So plus 5 minus root 5 over 2 equal to 0. So we have to solve these two quadratic equations. I will use method of completing the squares. So let us begin with first quadratic equation. Then we will take up second quadratic equation. So I will write equation here. T square minus 4t plus 5 plus square root 5 over 2. I will take this constant term to the right hand side. So t square minus 4t will be in the LHS. In RHS, I will write minus of 5 plus root 5 over 2. Now we have to add something in both the sides. So I will add 4 here. So we have to add 4 in the RHS. Now our LHS will give us perfect square of t minus 2. And in RHS, we will take LCM. So I can write here 8 minus 5 plus root 5 over 2 will be equal to 8 minus 5 minus root 5 over 2 will be equal to 3 minus root 5 over 2. Now we will multiply numerator denominator by 2 and write 6 minus 2 times root 5 over 4. Now 6 is root 5 is square. Then we will write 1 square. This is 6 minus 2 square root 5 over 4. Now numerator is root 5 minus 1 whole square and denominator is 2 square. So let us write root 5 minus 1 over 2 whole square as our right hand side. Now we will take square root both sides. We will get t minus 2 equal to plus minus square root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now t will be equal to 2 plus minus square root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now t is nothing but the values of a and b, first two roots of quartic equation. So we can write here a will be equal to 2 plus square root 5 minus 1 over 2, which will be equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 plus root 5 over 2. Now b will be equal to 2 minus square root 5 minus 1 over 2, which will be equal to 5 minus root 5 over 2. Now we have to solve our second equation. Let me write our equation here. Here it is. Now we will take 5 minus root 5 over 2 to the RHS for completing the squares method. We will write t square minus 4t will be equal to minus of 5 minus root 5 over 2 in the bracket. Now we have to add 4 to both sides. So we will add 4 here also. Now LHS will give us t minus 2 whole square and RHS will be equal to, we will write 8 minus 5 minus root 5 over 2, which will be equal to 8 minus 5 plus root 5 over 2, which is equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. We'll multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. So we can write here 6 plus 2 square root 5 over 4. Now 6 we can write 5 plus 1 and then we have 2 square root 5 over 4. Now 5 can be written as root 5 whole square. 1 is 1 square. Then we will write 2 times root 5 times 1 over 4 is 2 square. A square plus b square plus twice ab is a plus b whole square. We will write numerator as root 5 plus 1 whole square and denominator is 2 whole square. So we can write root 5 plus 1 over 2 whole square equal to t minus 2 whole square. Now we will take Square root both the sides and we will get t minus 2 equal to plus minus square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now we will add 2 to both sides. So t will be equal to 2 plus minus square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now we have to write c and d values. One is c, another is d. Let me write here c will be equal to 2 plus square root 5 plus 1 over 2. So equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus root 5 over 2. This is our third root of quartic equation. And d will be equal to 2 minus square root 5 plus 1 over 2 will be equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 minus root 5 over 2. So we have 4 roots of the quartic equation A, B, C and D. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.